Hey y'all, just wanted to real quick touch base. Normally I have a strict cancellation on my Airbnbs because I like to know when my guests come that they're committed and they're actually going to come. Um, so I had a gentleman, super polite, like beyond polite. It was a little suspicious actually. I thought maybe he was going to throw a party, but he was polite. He booked for one night. It was a Friday night, and he canceled. I think it was like Thursday afternoon before his check-in. He just canceled his reservation, didn't ask for any money back or anything like that. Uh, he just was like, "Sir, ma'am, I need to cancel. Sorry. Hopefully next time I'm in town, I can book your place. Thank you again for all your hospitality." And that was the end of the message. No request for a refund or anything. And so, normally I can't book that play. I can't book, tomorrow night. It's really difficult. And I just stick to my cancellation policy. But this guy was so polite. I decided to just give him half of his money back. Wasn't a complete wash for either one of us, and we just kind of split the difference there. But at some times in the business, it's okay to give the money back. There are a lot of people. Most people out there, frankly, will cancel knowing that they committed to a strict cancellation and basically act entitled. And that's not okay. And some people will be flat out rude and inappropriate, and that's a good way to get you kicked off of Airbnb's platform. But this guy was super polite, and I just wanted to share with you, sometimes it's okay to bend your policies a little bit. Have a good night.